Tired of your 9 to 5 grind? Ever dreamt of turning your side hustle into a full-time gig? Imagine waking up every day, excited to work on something you truly love. Yes, full-time reselling is possible, and I'm here to show you how. First, identify your niche. What are you passionate about reselling? Next, build a solid inventory. Quality items attract loyal customers. Marketing is key. Use social media to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Set realistic goals. Aim for gradual growth rather than overnight success. Tracking your finances is crucial. Keep tabs on your income and expenses. Are you ready to scale up? Start by reinvesting your profits into more inventory. Time management is a game changer. Create a daily schedule and stick to it. Networking with other resellers can open doors to new opportunities. Customer service is everything. Happy customers lead to repeat business. Facing challenges? Adapt and learn from them. Every obstacle is a stepping stone. Feeling overwhelmed? Break tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing forward, even on tough days. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. They fuel your motivation. Considering quitting your day job? Plan your exit strategy carefully. Have an emergency fund. Reselling can have unpredictable income streams. Leverage online platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Etsy to reach a wider audience. Use data analytics to understand market trends and buyer behavior. Offer promotions and discounts to attract new customers. Stay updated on industry news to keep ahead of the competition. Ready for the next step? Consider hiring help as your business grows. Automate routine tasks to free up time for strategic planning. Create a brand that resonates with your audience. Make them remember you. Keep learning. Attend webinars, read books, and follow successful resellers. Passion drives success. Love what you do, and it won't feel like work. Believe in yourself. If others can do it, so can you. Want more tips? Subscribe to my newsletter for exclusive strategies. Turn your reselling dream into reality. Start today and never look back.